With the rise of chatbots like ChatGPT and AI, there is a big job crisis in the world. Bigger companies like Google and Microsoft are firing their employees, which feels like a tough time. But don't worry, in this video, we are gonna explore the best free courses from Google that you can take to boost your skills and earn a free certificate. I'm Lakshya Gupta and let's get started. First up, let's dive into the Google Cloud Skill Boost. This is your ticket to mastering a Google Cloud. Imagine learning to handle a Google Cloud like a pro, with the lessons on a public preview, the generative AI learning path, and a Gemini for a Google Cloud. It's a super easy to get started. Just like a join or a sign in if you already have an account. Since I already have an account, I will sign in with my Google account. Once you are logged in, you will find tons of learning paths. For example, you explore the public preview or dive into AI. It's like a treasure chest of knowledge. Head over to the Explore tab and you will see load of courses waiting for you. Want to find some specific? Use the filters to search by batch, course format, and language, and many more. Let's try applying some filters. Look, here are some cool courses like Manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud and Classify Images with the TensorFlow. Let's check out Classify Images with the TensorFlow on the Google Cloud. This course is about 7 hours and 15 minutes long and perfect for intermediate learners. You will earn 26 credits and over 1000 points. Scroll down and you will see the skill badge you will get when you finish. The course has several modules, making it easy to follow and track your progress. Take a peek at my profile and you will see I have already earned more than 6 badges. It's a great way to show off your skills. Now let's talk about the machine learning crash course with the TensorFlow API. This one is packed over 30 exercises and 25 lessons, taking about 15 hours to complete. These lessons come straight from Google researchers and include real-world case studies and interactive visuals. These course answers questions like how does machine learning differ from traditional programming and how does gradient descent work. You can also check the requirements to see what you need before starting. You need to be comfortable with things like linear algebra and Python. Ready to go. Click the Crash Course button to start. Next up, we have a Google for developers. If you want to build cool stuff with Android, Google Cloud, AI Studio, Chrome, Play Store, Firebase, Keras, or TensorFlow, this is your playground. Head to the Learn tab to browse all of the available courses. It's a one-stop shop for aspiring developers. Let's not forget about the Google Cloud Startup School. Have a startup idea? This is the place to begin it to life. And it's free right now. It's available if you are in India. So take the advantage if you can. Another awesome offering is the Introduction to Augmented Reality and AR Core. This course teaches you the basics of AR, how to use it, and how to bring a AR core to life. Plus, you will earn a shareable certificate for your portfolio or social media. And yes, it's free to enroll. But wait, there is more. Microsoft, Stanford, and Harvard. You can check out my this video in which I have covered all of the courses from Microsoft, Stanford, Harvard, and more. You don't want to miss it. Click this video to get more info about it and don't forget to subscribe to me for more updates.